Here's how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro sound not working. Now, the most common issues with audio in Premiere Pro is incorrect hardware settings or muted track layer. So here's what you can do to fix it. Now, to check if your layer is muted, you'll simply see a green M like this, which means muted. You can just simply click on it to unmute it. Now, to check the hardware settings, you'll simply need to go to Preferences, under Edit Preferences, and then go to Audio Hardware and wait for it to open the tab. Now, in here, you will need to make sure to select your default output. For example, my headset in here, or your speakers, or whatever device output you don't like to use. Now for the input, you want to select your mic, or you can select no input if you don't want input. And that's pretty much it. Now, if the problem persists, what you can do is go to playback menu in preferences, and then make sure Adobe desktop audio is selected. Then you can simply press OK. And if you still have the issue, you can try to clear the cached media files, which Adobe uses to speed up the program, by going to Edit and then going to Preferences and then Media Cache. And you'll simply need to click on Delete button here and then select Delete Unused Media Cache Files. Press OK. Now you can simply press OK and try to restart the program, and that should fix your problems. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.